Mars is the only planet we'll colonise beyond Earth, but it's an easy planet to colonise. It's got water in abundance below the surface, we're sure, or frozen in the ice caps. It's got all the minerals that we need to build a civilization. We have the technology to go and extract the water and turn the water into oxygen and hydrogen for us to breathe and to make rocket fuel and electricity, all the things we need to build a civilization. So we know how to do it. So it's just whether we want to or when we want to. Most of the plans I've seen to go to Mars involve setting up the base first with robots and then going to the base. So it's almost we build the base first and then we go and move in. And I think that's what we're going to do.
Do you think we need to terraform?
Terraforming is changing the atmosphere of the planet. And that's a longer term goal, but we know that we could do it in principle. There's a place called Hellas Basin on Mars, which is a big, almost certainly an impact crater, impact basin actually. It's 9 kilometers down to the floor. So that means that although it's so big you couldn't see it, if you put Everest in the middle, you could look down on the summit from the edge. It's so deep that the atmospheric pressure is so high at the floor of the crater that liquid water can occasionally exist at the floor. So already, although Mars's atmosphere is very thin, there are places that are so low in altitude that the pressure's high enough for liquid to exist momentarily there, even now. So you can see that the atmosphere of Mars doesn't need a lot. It needs things like greenhouse effects, carbon dioxide and things thrown into the atmosphere. But then you can imagine growing plants, and the plants would produce oxygen, and the water's there for them to do that. And so you could imagine at some point in the future that we end up with an atmosphere on Mars again, because it did have one once.